Eggmaster can cook eggs, omelette rolls, frittatas, and other foods, making it a great companion for breakfast or healthy snacks for the whole family. 1. Eggmaster cooking chamber before first use. Do not immerse in water or any other liquid. 2. To turn on, plug the appliance into an electrical outlet. 3. Hold the appliance horizontally and apply 2 short sprays of non-stick cooking spray. 4. During cooking, place the Rollie Eggmaster vertically on a flat surface. 5. Crack 1 to 2 large eggs directly into the Eggmaster cooking chamber. Or, if you'd like, crack eggs in a cup and pour them into the Eggmaster cooking chamber. 6. Once the food is in the Eggmaster cooking chamber, insert 1 wooden skewer into the center of the food to help food keep its form and prevent it from falling over as it rises. 7. Eggs should rise after 8 to 9 minutes of cooking. To remove the food, tilt the appliance and gently prod the food out with a skewer.